guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing this Sunfeast Yippee Tricolour pasta. This is actually super easy to make and this is very healthy because it's made of suji and the green color is made of palak. So it's very easy to make. You have to just add 280 ml of water. And then you have to just put this pasta and I guess it's masala. I'm not sure if it's there. It's my first time to try. So let's see how to make it. You have the masala or the sauce I use. Sauce maker. This is this much. And then we'll put 280 ml of water. This packet is also there inside it. I think so. It's the sauce or something. Let's open it. Ooh. It smells nice. I'm just gonna put it in the whole. So I put the whole thing. Now I have this spoon. I guess you need to stir it a bit that the masala just dissolves. Okay, batter is ready. Now I'm going to put it in the microwave and my mom is here, so there will be safe. It's completely safe if you have an elder or someone. But this is ready. Now I'm going to put it this. 60 the timer and start. So meet you after 10 minutes. Just now my mom took this pasta out of the microwave. It looks amazing. I hope it tastes also amazing. So it's very hot now, so I don't know. But look, it's tricolor. I think so. I think the orange one is made of carrot and I have already told you the green one is made of palak, and I am thinking what will be the white one. White is suji. So yeah, let's try it. So first you guys will try it and tell me how's it. Nice. Now I'm going to just put this. This is really awesome. This is very, very tasty. You should buy this. This is very tasty. And if you like this video, please make sure you like, subscribe, comment and share. Bye bye.